welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So today, as you can see from the title down below, we have an exclusive sneak peek into the July pin culture medium bobby pins and hair ties box. I needed to double check. So I love pin culture. I've been getting it for a few months now. Thank you to Pin Culture for continuing to send this to me to review. I do greatly appreciate it. I think the bags are cute. The bags change up every month, these cute little mailer bags. I think they are so cute. And I appreciate that they come in a mailer bag because, let's be honest, I get quite a few subscriptions and I go through so many boxes. Thankfully, there is a recycling center right up behind me, like 10 seconds from my house. So I am able to go recycle the boxes, but I can appreciate this as well. So I do want to go over some information here. Now, this particular box, the medium bobby pins and hair ties, includes 15 hair ties and 20 bobby pins. Now, you can match that to your hair color. So you can do blonde, brown, I believe black, and auburn. So you have different options, which is fantastic. Obviously, I get the blonde. And it is 15 hair ties and 20 bobby pins, if I did not say that. It starts at $10 a month. Now, they do offer plans where you can go ahead and prepay 3, 6, 12 months. And obviously, that's going to make it cheaper. And I have a coupon code that is good through August 31st that will save you 20% off any 3, 6, or 12 month prepaid plan. I apologize. But here's a bonus. Now through the 20th of July, not only will you get that 20% off of a 3, 6, or 12 month prepaid plan with my code, you will also receive a free hair tie bracelet. They come in gold and silver. You can choose which tone you would prefer. And I believe I have one in here to show you. And also in this medium bobby pins and hair ties box, you do receive one surprise item every month. The value is always over $15. It is free shipping, and with all of the subscriptions. Now, Pin Culture also offers at least 10 different subscriptions, so you're covered. I mean, if you need just hair ties, if you need just bobby pins, if you want, some cute fancy little hair ties, like deluxe hair ties. There are so many different subscriptions, some of them starting at like $1 or $2. So I will put a link down below as well as that coupon code to save you 20% off a prepaid monthly subscription. So head over and check them out. But let's get in here and see this exclusive sneak peek for July 2019. It is like not wanting to open for me. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is one thing I always love. She always puts like the cutest like washi tape around your stuff. Now there is a little card. So let me take a look at that. Oh, it's a cute card. Super cute. So this is the sneak peek of the July medium box. And she did include the free hair tie bracelet that subscribers receive with my code SouthernMom19. So again, the SouthernMom19, I will put below along with that link, but that will get you not only the bracelet, the hair tie bracelet where you can choose gold or silver through July 20th, it will also receive or give you 20% off any 3, 6, or 12 month prepaid subscription, which is fantastic. So Again, that code SouthernMom19 will be down below. And let's get in here. So thank you, Christina. I do greatly appreciate it. Can't wait to see what we got. All right, so here lately, there's like always like a little sticker or something in here. So this month we have like a little banana. And then we do have the card here. Oh, and this actually, you can get a second subscription. So if you find that you really do like it and you want to actually get 2 of these subscriptions, just different ones, you can use code second, like the number 2 ND, second sub, SUB, and save 25% off. That's really awesome. So 99 bobby pins, but can't find one. So there's the card. And here, and I love these little pillow box things, you guys. I really do. They have come in handy, and I save all of my hair ties in these now. And every month you will receive them this way. So this is our hair ties and our bobby pins, again in blonde, which I go through all the time. This says, this is the medium bobby pins and hair ties box. Hope you enjoy your monthly supply of pins and ties, as well as this month's surprise item. Because like I said, they do include she does include a surprise item every month with the medium subscription. And this month it is handmade, and it is the dried flower resin pin. And you guys, this is beautiful. So it is like a bobby pin, but with this dried flower in there. That is so beautiful, and something, you know, that would just give you like this extra pop. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. And it has a retail value of $8. So let's go ahead. And again, this is the card here, and on the back is where it tells us all of that other information. So I do want to show you guys, this is the hair tie bracelet. Again, you would be able to choose silver or gold. With using my code SouthernMom19 through July 20th, in addition to saving the 20% off of a 3, 6, or 12-month plan. Now, this is so cute. This is the gold. So it has like a regular hair tie. It's like a cuff, but instead of having it to where, you know, you put the hair tie on your wrist and it cuts off your circulation, you can use this little cuff bracelet. If I can get it on here right. Having technical difficulties. So you can use this like this, as you see here, and then it doesn't cut off your circulation, which is awesome. So it then becomes a really cute, simple jewelry piece, which is amazing. So I think it's super cute. And like I said, you can get one of these free right now, and you can choose between silver and gold. You can let her know your preference by using my code SouthernMom19 in addition to saving 20%. So let me know your thoughts down below. I love this subscription. It's always so cute. I will put a link, like I said, and that code down below. I think I just said that, but just to make sure. And head over, check out Pin Culture. You will not be disappointed. Thank you again, Christina, for sending this to me. I do appreciate it. I love reviewing your subscription. It's always amazing. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.